Most special educators do a good job of assessing academics, but they don't have an easy way to assess strengths and needs related to functional skills, which are also called transition skills or soft skills. These skills are essential for success in employment, independent living, and post-secondary education, and include skills like the ability to be organized, handle emotions appropriately, and accepting responsibility. Unfortunately, most special educators are not using age-appropriate assessments that assess these skills, so students aren't getting help with maximizing their strengths and improving their key need areas. My name is Kim Spudic with 10 Sigma. Here are 5 important criteria to consider when evaluating functional transition assessments to use with your students. Number 1, do they address the functional skills in the 3 key post-secondary goal areas of employment, independent living, and post-secondary education and training? Number 2, do they contain specific criteria related to each skill that make it easy for takers to understand what they're evaluating? Number 3, do they make it easy for the entire IEP team, including the student whenever possible, to assess the student's strengths and needs and identify top priorities? Number 4, is it easy to collect the results and determine the student's strengths, needs, and priorities based on the responses of all the takers? And number 5, is it easy to copy the information collected from the assessment and paste it into the transition IEP to use it to write present levels, post-secondary goals, and annual goals? Our goal at 10 Sigma is to make it easy for special educators to use transition skill assessments. With over 30 years of research and experience, we've created age-appropriate transition assessments that do all 5 of the things I just explained. If you'd like to learn more about our transition surveys and see how to try them today for just $5, please visit transitionsurveys.org or click the link below in the description. Thank you.